guys. In this lesson, we will talk about academic writing. What is this? I know that sometimes to write academically can be very difficult, especially when you do not know what the topic entails, what is it about. And so I would suggest that before writing academically, you do some research on the topic that you want to write about. Okay. An academic writing is clear, concise, focused, structured, and backed up by evidence. Remember, guys, always do some research before writing on the topic. Evidence is very important. The purpose of academic writing is to answer research questions. In order for us to have a good or a well-developed academic writing, we must have a focus. What is this focus? It's related to the topic. What is the topic about? You have to be able to answer the question, what is the topic about? If you can't answer this question before writing, then perhaps your writing won't be well developed. There are different types of academic writing, 4 of which are the descriptive, the analytical, the persuasive, and the critical. Let's take a look at the analytical. It requires a great amount of planning and structure. In this, you usually analyze, compare, contrast, relate, and also examine. In the persuasive type of writing, you share your point of view on a particular topic, in which you usually discuss, argue, evaluate, and even take a position. Finally, the critical. This type of academic writing is quite advanced, guys. This one it's more difficult, to be honest. You perhaps will have to take 2 or more point of views, including your own, into consideration. In this, you usually evaluate, critique, analyze, debate, and even disagree. With the critical academic writing, you have to have done a lot of research in order to be able to represent the topic well. Structure of academic writing. The word structure refers to the particular order in which the idea of the writing is done. Yes, let's take a look at the 3-part essay structure, in which you have the introduction, the body, and the conclusion. Now, the introduction and the conclusion are usually shorter, or you can say they're more concise than the body of the writing, because in the body, that's where you fully develop your topic, and you have to explain each of them, providing evidence or proof about the research you've already done on those. Please remember that in the introduction, you refer to your thesis statement or the topic that you're going to discuss, and you can make mention of the 3 arguments to be developed in the body. The uses of academic writing, 2 of these are for essays and dissertations. You only use formal language when you are writing academically. There is no use of contractions in academic writing, such as is, it's, she's, his. Also remember that the use of pronouns such as I, you, he are not used. You always have to let your tone remain objective. For example, instead of using I think that, you think that, it's best to say the researcher thinks that, or the reader thinks that. This way, your tone remains objective. Always remember, guys, to be direct and concise as possible. So that's it for academic writing. Start to practice, begin practicing, guys. It can be difficult, but as I said, if you understand the structure, know your topic, and do some research before, you will be able to at least have a clearer understanding of how to write academically, and over a period of time you will become better at writing an academic writing. All right, so that's it for now. Any questions, any doubts, please let me know.